We've just acquired this Honda CR-V diesel. It's not our usual stock. We've took it in part exchange, but we've had it inspected. We've just had it MOT'd, just had it serviced, and it's been given a good bill of health. Drives absolutely fine. Don't expect it to be in superb condition like our other cars, being the age and the mileage, but it is a Honda CR-V. They last. It's a good four-wheel drive car, good family utility vehicle. It's a high spec one as well. We're buying it off a reputable garage. You see the bodywork is in absolutely lovely condition. Wheels, all in good condition. It's got the rear park distance control. Boot area, all good. It's got full leather interior, although in parts I would say it's worn. That's some nice panoramic roof. Just let you take it all in. Electric windows, electric mirrors. You can see it's a bit worn there. Seats a bit worn on the bolsters. But again, it's the age and the mileage, and it's priced accordingly. Start the car up. It's done 152,397 miles. God, it's even got a reverse camera. I will get that up in a minute, I'm sure I will. Yeah, satellite navigation, heated seats, cruise control, 6-speed gearbox. It's really panoramic roof again. Side covers there. Just good value for money. Family utility vehicle. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.